Introducing an unboxing video of our Artistry Nails electric nail file. Let's get started. So first off, it comes in a box like so, but when you open up this box, you will also have another package in here, which is where our beautiful electric file is. It's very well packaged, definitely safe and secure, and it's like a little cushioned suitcase, if you may. And look at this, rose gold, portable, cordless, hand electric file. Very ergonomical, amazing, love it. You guys are gonna love it. And let me show you guys the detail of this drill. So first, it's very tiny, very, very small. This is pretty much, I'll show you guys what this is for. It's a little packaging for a purpose, and look how small this is. It is literally the size of my hand. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like alongside an i12 Pro. So definitely the same size. So you can only imagine how small and amazing this drill is. It's powerful and beautiful. Here is the charging port. Like I said, it's rechargeable, it's cordless, it's portable. You can take it anywhere. I'll show you guys what I mean by taking it anywhere, carrying it anywhere. Mobile services are definitely a must for this. And it literally has just our logo here, very minimalist design, very beautiful. You have your on and off button here, your speed, which is when you turn it on, it turns on the speed, and it goes from 0 to 35k RPMs, which are 35,000. And it shows you a percentage of the battery right in the corner, top right. Right now it's at 58. Of course, you have to charge it. It'll tell you what percentage it gets to when it's fully charged with the charging port, which I'll show you in a bit. You have your left and reverse, your reverse and forward for lefties and righties. Then you have your handle port here. So super easy to use, definitely an amazing drill. I am not exaggerating. I totally love it. So there's a little lever here you're gonna lift, and you just lift it up, and what's underneath there is a little bit more to the package. So you'll find more goodies in there that belong to the drill. For instance, an instruction little notebook and what it comes with, and the handle. It is very, very long. It's especially because it has like this little ring here where you can stretch it, so you can, wherever, depending on where you place it. This, you just connect it in the front, and voila, if you have it up here, over there, down there, it's definitely reachable. So our drill comes with a drill bit inside of it already. Reason being, protection, safety, and just remove it and you can toss this away, whatever you like to do with it. So it has an unlock and a lock button. When you want to remove any drill bits, you unlock it first, turn it to the left, remove the drill bit, and then lock it. To place a drill bit in there, you unlock it, which is turn left, twist left, and then place your drill bit either wherever you like it, up, down, whatever, total preference. Then you lock it. You make sure you lock it, and then you turn on your drill. Make sure this is off when you're doing this because accidents can happen. And like I said, this is a part of that. Then you have your handle rest, which is pretty cute. You just place it up there, and when you're ready to use it, you grab it, and voila, just work away. Some mandrel samples, sanding bands, and the charging cord, and simply connect it. You could even leave it connected if you want, totally up to you. And this is the best part of this package as well, 6 drill bits. You heard it, 6 drill bits. And they're not just any drill bits, no, they're good, and you will definitely need these. So for instance, we have your cone carbide safety drill bit. This is an amazing drill bit because it's ceramic. It won't cut. That's why it's the safe cone bit. And you can remove a lot of acrylic with this, depending on how you use it. Make sure you're using it at a high speed. And then you have your mandrel. You have your cone bit for natural nails, which is like a tapered bit. And then you have this little brush to clean out your premises with dust or particles. You have your cuticle bit, which is to soften, remove dead cuticles, dead skin around the cuticles, anything you want to use this with. It's very safe. It's a round, very round. It's really nice. I love it. I use it, and is usually use it when my clients don't like to get their cuticles trimmed. Then you also have a cuticle bit, which is like a tapered, very slim look. I'll give it into detail in the pictures. I'll put pictures below. Very beautiful cuticle cone bit. And there you have it, 6 drill bits that you will use. You will use these. And our drill is just simply amazing. Like I said, you get all of these in this drill. It will be available to purchase. So definitely head out to our website to get yours. And let me show you guys another little, actually what I wanted to show you guys. This is for this purpose, excuse me. This is for the purpose of a mobile tech or just simply a teacher. If you teach, sorry, let me put this here. This is a purpose of like a teacher. If you teach nails, or if you want to have just simply carry it on you, you put this on first in your pocket, your back pocket, whichever is your preference. I'm gonna put it in my front so you guys can see it. You place your drill here and it's well protected, and then you put your drill handle here, and it's super cute. Like I said, it is so minimal, like it's so tiny. It's amazing. You guys are gonna love it. I love my drill, and I know you will. So definitely head on over to our website and get yours now. It's a beautiful color. You can't beat a rose gold. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video with me like I did. And it comes in a cute little pouch, very well secured. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, like it, and thank you all so much for watching.